You're turning numbers, you're doing gross, but your bank won't work with you. You may need a down payment for a new truck. Well, you might need to purchase a trailer, so you need down payment money. You may need to catch up on some of your credit cards. There may be a major repair that you need to cover. What I'm saying is the money that you're turning every week on a monthly basis gives you leverage.
Trucking companies are experiencing higher expenses. Here's the funding secret survivors use. The biggest killer isn't competition or regulations, it's cash flow. Fuel costs and expensive repairs can severely impact profits. Even large trucking companies are struggling to stay afloat. But here's what the survivors know. Create funding lifelines that can save your growth plans. First, short-term financing. This is your easiest approval because your monthly revenue qualifies you. You can get $20,000 to $150,000 for a single truck, all based on bank statements. Second, working capital loans. These bridge those brutal cash flow gaps, covering payroll and fuel while you wait on invoices. Typically $25,000 to $250,000, lowering your stress the moment you are funded. Third, our longer-term loans offer the best rates, with up to $2 million loans limits. Still only take 24 to 48 hours to approve, and the savings are massive. Finally, business lines of credit give you flexible access to $500,000 to $600,000 whenever you need it. Here's the qualification reality. Most lenders require high credit scores, and at least 12 months in business. We only require 3 months in business. New ICC authorities are welcome. All of our funding programs are completely no collateral and unsecured loans. Don't let cash flow kill your trucking dream. Partners in success.
And here's one for trucking, because a lot of trucking applications are coming in. He had a broken trailer, needed the money real bad. We actually got him all that money in the same day that he applied.
The client was originally funded by a C lender, the second time by a B lender, and then this time an offer from an A lender. So this is just beautiful. It's a beautiful cycle of this client, right? They started with a C lender, worked their B, and now they got an A lender to take care of a past balance, as well as net out $107,000 for whatever they need going forward.
Simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more.